Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. If you make things out of wood, you're gonna end up with scraps. And if you're anything like me, I'm getting better at getting rid of scraps, but I still have a problem with things that are like this size because it feels like you should hold on to it because you paid money for it, or it's nice, or it whatever. You could probably get a part for something out of this eventually. You absolutely never will, because when you need a piece this size, it either needs to be an inch bigger than the piece that you have, or an inch longer than the piece you have, or the piece you have is sapele but the piece you need is cherry. And these types of scraps just pile up and you'll never use them. Today we're going to use them. I'm going to show you how I get rid of these. We're going to make some kitchen bits. It's kitchen implement use up the scraps day. We're going to make some spatulae and some spoons maybe. I don't know. But we're getting rid of some of this. And we're making useful things that we can either give as gifts or use in our kitchens, or we can sell them. Lots of things. It's better than burning them or throwing them in the garbage. We'll use them. We'll get them out of the shop. Come on. I know where I am. I don't know where I need to be. I know where I am. I don't know where you are. I hope it's where you need to be. I don't know what you want. No, it's not me. Sitting on my back porch, lemonade has turned to beer on. Lives lingering, lives lingering. But I hope for you, I hope that life's flourishing, life's flourishing. Sitting on my back porch, I'm sitting life a lot easier in a little bit. Okay, the next round of cuts that I'm going to make, you did not see here on this channel if you do this and something goes wrong. This is not a cut that I recommend. I do not advocate for doing this. I'm going to show you how I'm going to remove a bunch more excess material from this. The reason this is a sketchy operation is because I am going to be feeding this through on an angle around a curve. And that's gonna, as that bandsaw is coming through that piece, it's gonna wanna pull it down and into the blade. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna be very cognizant of where this piece is being supported against the table at all times. We're gonna keep our fingers well and truly away from this cut in case it does pull and grab and go in. And we are gonna go very, very slowly and let the bandsaw blade do the work and clear the chips and not be forcing things through. So again, you did not see this here. I did not even do this. I did not do that. I'm pretty much done with loud and dusty for now, so I'm just going to do some spoke shave work and just like relax and take some little cuts and just work on the shaping of these with some hand tools before I get more power running and be loud and dusty again.
Everything hits her broken heart. Oh, talk about broken hearts. No, we can't talk about broken hearts. No, we can't talk about broken hearts. Oh, so well, little pie that we wish inside. We just whisper to ourselves while we cry in the night. Why'd you break my heart? Why'd you break my heart?
Well, there we go. I got a batch of new kitchen implements. Fantastic use of scrap material that you've got laying around, especially if it's nice. These walnut little spoons. I like this little guy spoon. This might be my new sugar spoon for beside the coffee maker in the morning. This is my new favorite spatula, I think. And anyway, fantastic use of scrap, and if you only have a little bit of time but you want to be making something, use up your scrap, make some kitchen things. Let me know what you think. Let me know which one's your favorite. I don't know which one's my favorite. Probably either the walnut spoons or the cherry spoons. I don't know, the sapili spoons are pretty awesome too. I don't know. I like them all. I'm happy with how they came out. That's it for this one. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe, everybody. We'll see you next time. Bye for now. All right. Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. If you make things out of wood, you're gonna make scraps. You're gonna make sawdust and you're gonna get scraps of wood laying around. And if you're anything like me, you're too precious about those scraps and you hold on to them and you're like, I'm gonna maybe use that piece later, or I could find a use for that. It's too nice. It's pieces like this. This is a nice piece of sapili. I could maybe incorporate that into something later. No, you can't. No, you can't. Because when you need this piece, you either forget that you had it, or you need a piece this size, but the piece you need is actually cherry, or you need it needs to be about an inch wider than this, or 2 inches longer than this. All of these little scraps of things, they're too nice to throw away or burn, but they just pile up in nooks and crannies in your shop, and you try to keep them organized and you can't because it's not a thing you can do. Don't even in the comments. No, sure you can. No, you can't. This I got angry. Sometimes I get to this point and I like to go around and do the final shaping with the spoke shave. It's really bright right here. This light is unnecessary, and now I'm blind because I looked at it. Put it back. Turn this off. Alright, I'm gonna grab my oscillating belt spindle sander. Oh, it's going. Sometimes it just starts. What am I? Well, there we go. I got a batch of scrap wood kitchen implements, spoons and spatulas, and well, spoons and spatulas. Great use of excess material that you've got kicking around in the shop that you're saving for no reason. Trust me, you're never going to use it. You might as well use it. Yeah, I don't know what my favorite, maybe this one's my favorite. Maybe the big walnut spoon. I do like the little mini walnut spoon. This one might be my new sugar spoon for coffee in the morning. I don't know. Let me know what you think of them. Let me know if you've made kitchen implements. I am absolutely going to continue to use my scrap wood to make these. Few hours of time with wood that is essentially free because the board that I bought has already paid for itself by getting used for whatever I bought it for. And yeah, fantastic. If I can sell a few of these for $20 each or something, it took me, what, 6 hours? It would take you probably half as long because you don't do stupid YouTube garbage bullshit, moving the camera around and having to set up shots all the time, taking 3 times as long to make anything. We'll just go right from the start again. It'll take you not as long as it took me because you don't stupid YouTube. Probably.